Did you know that 70% of the clicked search results on Google are organic, unpaid searches? Today, we're going to share some SEO tips and tricks with you to rank your website much faster on Google organically without paying a dime to Google. First and foremost important thing is choosing the right set of keywords. You should select the keywords which are very relevant to your business and find trends around those keywords as to what people are typing. Long tail key phrases are most important to get very relevant users to your website. Another important factor is user experience. You must work on the UI UX of the website to retain users for a longer period of time. The user experience will help to improve your dwell time and lower your bounce rate. This is very important factor for Google to rank your websites into their search results. The third important factor in ranking a website organically is the loading speed of the website. It should load up on all devices, all internet connection, all IPs within 3 seconds as an ideal time. Fourth important factor is your website has to be responsive in nature. By responsive, what I mean is that it should load up equally good on various mobiles, iPhone, Android, tabs, laptops, computers. It should appear the same for all the users and behave the same way. Another important factor which helps you to rank faster is that your website should be secure in nature. When I say secure, what I mean is it should have an SSL certificate so that users are not hesitant in sharing any information on the website. These are some of the crucial factors which will surely help you to rank your website much faster on Google. In case you are having any issues in ranking your website on Google, feel free to get in touch with us. Hope the information shared with you today is useful. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.